Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here, a very good evening to you all. So here we go then, we are back with close-up coins. A little bit of a different one this evening. These are actually all pre-decimal coins and we are only looking for the coin's face value. We don't need to know what year the coins were made or what design was on the coin. All you need to do is comment 1 to 5 in the comment section below, and then next to those numbers exactly how much those coins are worth. Now, some of the same value coin might still be in UK circulation today. However, these actual coins are no longer in circulation. I am just trying to mix it up a little bit, try and keeping it fun and exciting. And again, if you do have any categories for close-up coins, please do let me know and we'll play that category over the course of the year. So get those guesses in the comment section below. I'm sure someone will probably have it in the first few minutes. It really is amazing how good you are when it comes down to knowledge with coins. Hopefully the pre-decimal will mix it up, make it a little bit more difficult. And again, if you don't get any of them right, it's just for a little bit of fun and it really doesn't matter. Plenty of videos coming up tonight then, guys. I've left it on loop a couple of times at the end without me talking in the background, just so you can concentrate and get those answers in. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.